In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Radar Assistant Demo in the Stripe dashboard. Head over to the Stripe site. I'll assume you're already logged in, so you should be looking at your main dashboard right now. From the dashboard, navigate to Products, then Payments, then Radar. You can also click Radar directly in the left sidebar under Shortcuts to jump straight there. Once Radar opens, click the Rules tab near the top of the page. In the upper right corner, click the plus Add Rule button. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, click Review. This opens the Add a Transaction Rule drawer on the right side of your screen. Now we're going to open the Assistant. Inside the condition box, look to the right side and click Assistant. When the Assistant prompt field appears, click into it so you can start typing your instruction. Now type the following phrase. Type, review payments where the card and IP countries are different. Take your time entering that since you want it to read clearly. Once it's in, press Enter to send the prompt. Now wait a moment for Assistant to generate the rule condition based on what you typed. When the suggested rule appears, take a look at it carefully. Check that the rule it produced is a review rule and not a block rule, because those behave very differently. If Assistant gave you a block rule instead, you can correct it. Click back into the prompt field and type, only suggest a review rule, not a block rule. Then press Enter and let Assistant rework its suggestion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With the rule looking correct, it's time to test it. Click Test Rule in the bottom right corner of the drawer. Stripe will run the rule against sample data and show you the test results. Take a moment to review those results so you understand how the rule would behave on real transactions. For this demo, this is where we stop. Do not click Add Rule unless you actually want to enable the rule on your live account. The whole point of this walkthrough is to show Assistant creating a Radar review rule from plain English and then testing it, all without activating a new rule on your dashboard. And that's it. Congratulations on running through the Radar Assistant demo.